Hello YouTube, I am David Jones, a computer technician with AVADirect, and today we're going to be looking at our white-themed gaming PC. Now this build is obviously gorgeous, but do you think computer component manufacturers should make them in more colors? So this build is in the Hyte Y60. The customer chose this for a couple reasons. He wanted a vertically mounted GPU, which this case is great for because you would need no extra accessories. The riser cable comes with the case and it's extremely affordable. This case is also great for water cooling. Now this customer chose an air cooler, but it has support for a 360 in the top or a 240 in the back. Now in the case, we have a Gigabyte Z690 board with Wi-Fi 6, and socketed in that, we have an i5 13600K, which is a great processor. It has the 6 performance cores, so you're going to get plenty of gaming performance from it. Now for the GPU, we have a white Zotac RTX 3070. This card's great for 1440p gaming and fits the aesthetic of the build perfectly. Now to round out the rest of the components in the system, we have 16 gigs of white Corsair LPX DDR4 RAM. We have a fully modular 850 watt power supply from EVGA. We also have a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD from Kingston. Now cooling this computer is a white Thermalright Assassin X. It is rated for 225 watts of cooling and is great for i5s or Ryzen 5s. Now if you would like to purchase a system like this and, I don't know, maybe even add some custom sleeved white cables, check out our website at avadirect.com or call our sales team directly.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.